Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Live Wallpaper on Android. Here are the simple steps to use Live Wallpaper on your mobile device. First, make sure to unlock your mobile device. Then go to your home screen. Exit all apps by pressing the home button. Tap and hold on an empty area of the home screen. Then wait for the screen options to appear. Select Wallpaper or Wallpapers in Style. This opens your wallpaper settings. Tap Live Wallpapers or Animated Wallpapers. You'll see pre-installed live wallpapers or a link to download more. Browse through the live wallpapers available. Preview them to see what they look like. Tap the live wallpaper you want to use. A preview of the animation will load. Tap Set Wallpaper or Apply. You'll be given display options. Choose where to apply it. If there's any, choose Home Screen, Lock Screen, or both. Wait for it to apply. The phone will animate briefly to confirm it's active. Now, return to the home screen. You'll now see your live wallpaper in motion. Tip: download more live wallpapers by going to Play Store and search for apps like Zedge, Live Wallpapers 4K, Wallpapers Grab Live, and also, while using live wallpapers may consume more battery, especially on older devices. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.